Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. He is one of the most popular and respected American poets of the 20th century. So friends, this is about Robert Frost, who has written this poem. This is one of the most well-known poems. It is based on the choices we have to make in life. The poet tells us in this poem that we must be careful while choosing the decision. Means this is one of the Frost's most well-known poems. It is based on the choices one has to make in life. In this poem, the poet talks about a choice he has to make between two roads. The road is compared to the different career options we face in our life, and we have to choose anyone. So, let's start the poem. The first stanza of the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here diverged. Diverged means separated. There are two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Yellow wood means forest. The poet is confused as at the same time he could not walk on both the paths. He kept standing there as a traveler and looking as far as he could. पोएट ये दोनों रास्ते को जहाँ तक उनकी नज़र जा रही थी वहाँ तक उसे ध्यान से देख रहे थे. Why the poet was looking the roads carefully? Because he wanted to know that which path is good and suitable for him. Last line, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means dense growth of plants and bushes. मतलब जहाँ तक पोइट देख सकते थे उसके बाद तो उसे क्या दिखाई देता था, तो अंडरग्रोथ. अंडरग्रोथ मीन्स बहुत सारे प्लांट्स एंड बुशेस पोएट को दिखाई देते थे. सेकेंड स्टेंजा. देन टुक द अदर just as far, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. In the second stanza, just as fair means as good as the other one. Then better claim. Better claim means better option. And grassy. Grassy means here we can say unused, which is not used by anybody. Wanted wear. Wanted wear means had not been used. And won. Won means realize. Now, in the second stanza, the poet shows his decision. After thinking too much, the poet thought to choose the second road. He felt that both the paths were equally good, and he thought the second road was good for him. That path was unused and had not been walked over by many people. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. कुछ दूरी पर जाने के बाद पोएट ने रियलाइज किया कि ग्रासी एरिया अभी नहीं है, ग्रासी एरिया अभी खत्म हो गया है. मीन्स बोथ द पाथ्स आर यूज्ड बाय पीपल. Let's correlate this stanza to our life. Whenever we have two options or two choices in our life, and whatever choice we do, in all choices there are benefits and challenges also. The third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads unto way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now here, trodden black. Trodden black means walked over. Both the paths on that particular morning were similar and equal. Both of them had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on those leaves, and they were still green in color. They had not been turned black in color. मतलब ये पोइट क्या सोचते हैं कि ये जो रास्ता है यहाँ पर अभी ग्रीन, मतलब जो लीव्स हैं वो ग्रीन है, कोई भी यहाँ पर से पसार नहीं हुआ, इसलिए जो ग्रीन लीव्स है वो ब्लैक नहीं हुए. द पोइट थॉट दैट today I will take this path and I will keep the other path for another day. The poet says that he knew that he cannot come back from the chosen path, but still he keeps in his heart that some other day he will choose the other path. The fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Here, sigh means deep breath, and hence, here in this poem, hence means in the future. The poet knows there is no turning point, so he says that in the future he will take a deep breath, and he will say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in his life that there were two options, two roads, and he travelled on that road which had been travelled upon by very few people, and that choice has made him what he is today, and that has made all the difference in his life. So friends, through this poem, poet wants to convey an important message to all of us, that our future depends on our present. The career option we choose today will determine what we become tomorrow. So we must be careful and wise while choosing the option or while taking the decision.